So to start off with, I'd like to show you the dashboards I've created that come standard with any installation. Anybody that installs our package and uses our product will have these dashboards available to them. For this demo org, I've altered them a little bit as the data would kind of get stale, so I've basically done this all for 2009. So first here we have December 2009 sales for a normal person running this. This would just be the current month's sales. This is 2009 sales. Then we have total outstanding invoices. What you can actually see here is when you dive deeper, you can see what accounts owe you money and how much that's for, so you can more easily do collections. We have best customers with a zero balance, so this is for all of 2009. These are all of my customers that have bought from me and how much they've purchased. Also, overdue balances. These are the customers that owe me the most money, that are over 30 days old. So any invoice that's over 30 days old that is unpaid goes here. So this can actually be a nice watch list of who not to sell to, and actually tell them to pay their bills. Then we have oldest outstanding invoices. Now this is a little handy because you can actually see how old some of these invoices actually are. You can see this one dates back to March 2009, and if I click on it, I can see exactly who the account is and what the invoice, the opportunity, and I can have this information readily available. So now that we've seen the dashboards, let's actually look at what the opportunities look like in Salesforce. As you can see, I've also made some views. This does not come standard when you install the package. It's just something I did on my own for this demo. So you can basically show potential customers that because this data is available in Salesforce, that they can do some creative stuff with it. All I did was take one of our custom fields, QB transaction type equals invoice, and that's it. So if I go to QuickBooks invoices, I can do that for sales orders or sales receipts as well. I can see all of my invoices. So if I actually dive into one of these, I can actually see all of the QuickBooks information that is on the actual invoice in QuickBooks. So I can actually see that this has been paid. I can see the total amount. I can see the transaction type and the transaction number. I can see the billing address and the shipping address and all this other good stuff that QuickBooks actually generates. We pull back up into Salesforce. Then you can also tie that to the account and see the account information. We can see the current balance is 0 for this customer. If they have a sales rep, this is actually a QuickBooks feature that now they're using Salesforce isn't really necessary. Total amount of close-won opportunities that they have, and some other information. As you can also see, we have the QuickBooks billing address and shipping address. You'll notice that we actually don't populate the native billing and shipping address, and this is actually a QuickBooks limitation. Whereas here in Salesforce, we have the street, city, state, zip, and country all separated into separate fields. For some reason or another, QuickBooks actually just puts it into one block of text, and it looks exactly like this. So we actually can't parse it out and populate these native fields. So it's a little bit of a limitation, but then again, we do have all of this actual QuickBooks data in Salesforce for brand new Salesforce customers, so that's helpful as well. So we've seen opportunities and we've seen accounts. We can also see is contacts from QuickBooks. So Michael Dell is the primary contact in the Dell account. This is a custom field of ours, primary contact. You can have as many contacts as you want under an account. Whenever you check one as the primary, that will become the one and only contact in QuickBooks, because QuickBooks actually only supports one and only contact. So now we've done that. Let's check out products. What I want to show, some of these products are mine, some of these are just standard that were in the demo org. What I want to show is this widget product because it actually has quantity on hand. So let's say I sell 1,000 widgets in an opportunity. It goes down and creates an invoice in QuickBooks, and that reconciles with Salesforce. This would actually say 5,050 widgets now. So any company can actually have a live view of exactly how much inventory they have on hand all the time, what their average cost is, all this stuff that QuickBooks handles. And also, obviously, because even though it's called the products module, we can do services as well. Product description, 1 hour of service. You can add this to an opportunity. You can change the description, change the price, and that will populate appropriately in QuickBooks. It won't be locked to whatever the price is. So that allows your customers to be flexible. And that's really it. If you have any questions, you can contact me with this information that I have here.